diagonal matrix. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स का मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिया था. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 0 0 0 5 2 1 0 0 7. So this is called a when all other elements except the diagonal elements are zero, then it is called a diagonal matrix. और ये भी बताया था आपको कि ये जो है this is called a principal diagonal. इसको हम प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल कहते हैं. वी ऑल्सो कॉल दिस एज लीडिंग डायगोनल. वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज लीडिंग डायगोनल. Now, what is a scalar matrix? What is scalar matrix? Diagonal scalar matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are same. For example, 7 0 0 0 7 0 or 0 0 7. So now each of the diagonal element is 7. So such kind of matrix is called a scalar matrix. Or we can write -2 comma 0 0 comma -2. Now since it is also a diagonal matrix, but the diagonal elements are same, they are -2 and -2. Next is identity matrix. Identity matrix. It is a diagonal matrix. It is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are unity. For example, 1 0 0 1 or 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now see, in the diagonal elements are 1. And again all the diagonal elements are 1. जिसमें diagonal elements सारे 1 हो, they are called a identity matrix. और identity matrix को हम denote कैसे करते हैं? We denote this identity matrix by I. Identity matrix is denoted by I. I से हम denote करते हैं. So identity matrix is denoted by I. Sometimes आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स को ऐसे भी I2 कई बार लिखा होता है. Sometimes it is mentioned I3. Now what is I2 and I3? Since diagonal matrices are the square matrices, diagonal matrix are square matrix, तो ये क्या ऑर्डर है इसका? 2 क्रॉस 2. इसका ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 3. तो अगर I2 है, I2 का मतलब ये है कि I2 is the identity matrix of order 2. So that means it is a square matrix of order 2 whose diagonal elements are always 1. So I2 is represented for second order matrix एंड I3 लिखते हैं हम थर्ड ऑर्डर आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स के लिए 0 1 0 0 0 1. तो इसको वी कैन सिंपली राइट I ऑल्सो और I3. It can also be written as I2 or we can simply write I. तो जब भी हमने I को यूज करना है तो ये देख के करना है यूज कि जो हमारे को क्वेश्चन में किस ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स दिया है. अगर क्वेश्चन मैट्रिक्स है ऑर्डर 3 का तो हम अगर वहां सिंपली I भी लिखा है तो हम ऑर्डर 3 का ही लेंगे I. अगर मैं क्वेश्चन में मैट्रिक्स लिया हुआ है सेकंड ऑर्डर का तो वहां पर आइडेंटिटी हम ऑटोमेटिकली I लिखा है तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली सेकंड ऑर्डर का आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स लेंगे. Next is a triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix, a square matrix. A square matrix in which either all the elements above the principal diagonal or below the principal diagonal are 0. Either all the elements above the principal diagonal or all the elements or below the principal diagonal are 0. That is called a triangular matrix. Triangular matrix की दो categories है. One is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. हम इसको ऐसा लिखेंगे अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स को Aij, it is a square matrix or a triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix, it is a triangular matrix or a square matrix such that Aij will be equal to Aij when I is less than equal to j and Aij will be 0 when I is greater than j. मतलब इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई अगर वो करता है तो अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं, लेट्स A11 जो हम एक जनरल लिखते हैं मैट्रिक्स को, हम एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स जनरल स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स लिख लेते हैं. So this is a general square matrix. This is a general any square matrix. Take any square matrix. तो भी जनरल स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हमने लिया. नाउ अब हमने ये रिलेशन, इसमें ये वाला रिलेशन यूज करना है. Aij will remain Aij when I is less than equal to j. Here I is 1, j is 1. I is equal to j, so it remain A11. ये यही रहेगा. In this case I is 1 and j is 2. So in this case I is less than j. When I is less than j, it will remain A12. Here also I is 1, j is 3, 1 is less than 3, so it is again remain the same. Aij will remain Aij. 2, 1. Now in this case I is 2, j is 1. So therefore I is greater than j. When I is greater than j, the result will be 0. Here I is equal to j, 2, 2. So it will remain the same, A2, 2. Because when I is equal to j, it will remain Aij. A2, 3. That means 2 is less than 3, I is less than j. So it remains A2, 3. 3, 1. 3 is greater than 1, I is more than j, it is 0. In this case, I is more than j, so it is again 0. I is equal to j, it is A3, 3. So this is upper triangular matrix. इस definition को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You can also write it you can also write the definition a square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal are zero is called upper triangular matrix. Is called upper triangular matrix. So it is again one type of a triangular matrix. So either you can write this definition or you can write this definition. This is an example. This is how upper triangular matrix is formed. This is the principal diagonal. इसके नीचे के सारे एलिमेंट्स जीरो हैं, लेकिन ऊपर के एलिमेंट्स सारे जीरो नहीं हो सकते. So this is upper triangular matrix. Now next is lower triangular matrix. What is a lower triangular matrix? Now, what is a lower triangular matrix? A square matrix such that Aij will be Aij when I is greater than equal to j and Aij is 0 when I is less than j. तो अगर इस टाइप का कोई मैट्रिक्स हो उसे हम लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. Now let us take the same example. हम यही वाला मैट्रिक्स कंसीडर करते हैं. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. हमने एक ये मैट्रिक्स कंसीडर किया जनरल. अब इसमें ये वाली कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं जो कि डेफिनेशन है लोअर ट्रायंगुलर की, कि Aij will remain, the element will remain the same element when I is greater than equal to j. So in this case, one is I is equal to j, so it remains A11. I is less than j, when I is less than j it becomes 0. In this case, I is less than j, it is 0. I is more than j, it is A21. I is equal to j, it remains A22. I is less than j, it is 0. I is greater than j, I is greater than j, I is equal to j. So now this is a lower triangular matrix. Now here you see every element above the principal diagonal are zeros. Principal diagonal के ऊपर के elements zero हैं. So you can also write the definition of the lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which the elements above the principal diagonal are zero is called the upper triangular matrix. Is called the lower triangular matrix. तो अगर प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल के ऊपर के एलिमेंट सारे जीरो हो, then it is called the lower triangular matrix.